Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of Hammerhead Showers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to raise your shower head height up without changing any of the plumbing here. You'll leave your shower arm in the wall. Going to be using our 17-inch adjustable shower arm, which just attaches between the shower arm pipe and the shower head. So this is a friend of mine's shower who's 6 foot plus, and I'm 5'7". This shower head's almost gonna be too low for me, so imagine for him. So we're gonna do a quick fix that's solid and durable. Also gonna change out his shower head too, and use our 8-inch rain shower head, all metal products by Hammerhead Showers. So first things first, remove the old shower head. It's an old, looks like a Delta shower head. I don't know, or not even a brand name. Yep, it's a Delta, just plastic shower head. And these threads are pretty dirty, so we're gonna clean them up. Get all the Teflon tape off here, so we get a nice clean seal when we install the new parts. So now that we have the shower arm pipe all cleaned up, we'll get some Teflon tape applied to it. It's included in the kit. Here's the shower arm that we'll be installing. It's about 15 inches when the nuts are facing inward, but when they're facing outward, full extension, it's about 17 1/4 inches. So you'll get pretty good height on this. This is a pretty old shower arm, so I'm going to put some extra Teflon tape on here and make sure we really seal the threads. Now we'll install the shower arm, so just loosen up the wing nut a bit and pull out the nut just slightly to unlock the gears, and turn the nut facing out so we can thread it onto the pipe. Just push it back in to reconnect the gears, and you can tighten the wing nut back down for now. Just so you know, this piece is independently spinning, which makes ours more unique than the majority on the market, so you can get the shower arm perfectly lined up. If this is ever loose when you install it, you just need to tighten this brass nut down that's in there, but we have like a pretty tight seal with some extra thread sealant inside it, so it should never loosen up. And then there's a rubber washer that comes with it, so just want to make sure that that's inside there to properly seal this down. And now we'll attach the shower head on here. Again, just loosen up this wing nut a bit and straighten out this piece. Put some Teflon tape first. Then we have our 8-inch rain shower head. It's all metal by Hammerhead Showers. And it's got a washer in here as well. So now that we have this installed, we'll just adjust the height and angle of the shower head, and we'll be good to go. Test it out. So there you have it. Just make sure that when you're adjusting these wing nuts that you get the gears locked up in place. There's a round fitting here on the other side of the wing nut that should be snapped all the way in place, and this wing nut should be locked all the way down. Before getting underneath it, just make sure that it's well tightened, especially on this connection right here that controls the height. So now you can see all the way under the shower head now. Plenty of space in the shower for a tall person. Can't finish a work of art like this without running some water through it and checking it out. There you go. Nice rain shower head flow. Check for leaks in this joint and the shower head joint. Don't see any leaks, so we're good to go. Well, thanks for checking us out at Hammerhead Showers. Hope you enjoy your adjustable height shower arm with rain shower head.